Hey, Logan. Hey, buddy. Remember like 2 minutes ago when you just totally crawled across the floor? Can we make that happen again? Can we make it happen again? Or did you forget? Was that like a freak thing? You just like, oh, okay, this is happening. This is happening. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Excellent. You want Mama's red shoe. You want Mama's red shoe. How about a little bit further? A little bit further. Can you get it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How about a little bit further? I'm playing with you. You're like, Mama, you can do it. You just got there. You can do it. Are you getting smart? You're like, you're just going to move it again. Come on. Excellent. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. Yay. Oh my goodness. I just want to keep moving it and moving it. Okay. Oops. There you go. There you go. One last little bit. One little leg. One last leg. Dun 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 da 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 da. Yay! Well, it is official. We are okay. Baby proofing. Gotta baby proof the house. Oh, look. It's the shoes. It's the boy with the red shoes. Logan. Okay, I better put the camera away. Baby proof, baby proof.